Okay, we got train number 3 coming. And he had red over yellow. I'm not sure, I'm not where I can see it now. But we'll record him. He's coming on down the grade. Oh, that nice graffiti. Graffiti that travels the nation. Gonna be an internet book coming out someday soon, hopefully. Of about 15 years of graffiti that travels the nation on train cars. Get back to where I was talking before. You know, multicolors, it looks really good. Unmarked, must be new. Definitely new. Look at the rust on that one and the graffiti on that one. You know, when you see the graffiti, it's done in multicolors. Some people don't like graffiti. I agree. But some graffiti is almost artwork. And you notice the railroad is not covering up the graffiti anymore. They put a block section of black, and then they put their numbers in there. But they don't just paint the whole graffiti over. Alright, there goes our train. Call another one goodbye, and we'll see if we can find something else. Alright, I want everybody to like and subscribe. Let me know what you think of the railroads.